So I'm in the workshop today and I've got my new tool, and this is the Karcher K5 pressure washer. 15 bar more than the K4. That was 130, this is 145. So it doesn't sound like a big difference. And in this video I want to find out if it's truly worth the extra £120 that you'd have to pay for it. Because it's approximately 200 for the K3 and this one was 320. So I can't show you or do a direct comparison between a K4 and a K5 because the current state of my K4 is as follows. Now what I'll do is I'll unbox this K5. That's what you see as soon as you open it. So this gives you an idea of what comes in the box. That's all the bits and pieces. Phase one, I'm going to put these wheels on it, and you can see that there's little holes in there. It has to go in there, and that little there's a little screw that goes into there, and they must be those ones there. And we're going to put the base through the like plastic plungers, and they, okay, we're in. So this differs from the old one in as far as this has the ability to actually thread through the front here. So these two look pretty similar, but you can see there's quite a significant difference between the section on the end, between the K4 and the K5. I'd say it's a lot quicker to use than the other one. That's pretty quick. So as you can see, I finished cleaning it with the K5 and it made very quick work of it. I would say it was 3 times faster, easily 3 times faster than the last time I cleaned this drive. The extra 15 bar that you get with the K5 power means that you get to do a much faster clean rather than just spraying in little areas with the K4. The K5 you can make much wider sweeps as you go. Is it worth the money? Well, that one's up to you. Personally, I'm pretty upset with Karcher for building machines that have built-in obsolescence. I'm not impressed by that. Is it worth the money? Up to you. That's what I bought anyway. It's a lot quicker. If time is important to you, then get one. If it isn't, stick with the K4. That's all I've got to say about it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.